Hey everybody, so we have a Milwaukee rechargeable red lithium Rover light to do an unboxing as well as a little information video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this came in a 2-pack. It came with not another one of the Rovers, but it came with 700 Lumen flashlight. So this is the Milwaukee 2114-21 new red lithium USB magnetic base Rover USB rechargeable pivoting floodlight kit, 550 lumens. Information on the back: all day runtime, 2,000 recharges, over 2,000 recharges, 3 times faster charge time, 210 degree pivoting head, wide magnetic base and carabiner, IP54 water and dust resistant, impact resistant, chemical resistant. Runtime: high 550 lumens for 2 hours, medium 250 lumens for 4.5 hours, low 100 lumens for 11.5 hours. This one you can push the button, turn the light on. Comes with I think 3 settings. Yeah, high, medium, low, off. It also shows you in yellow that the tool is on. I believe this would light up red if it's charging and green if it's charged. I don't know. I guess we'll find out when I do an update on the video. We're gonna just cut this open real quick. Successfully cut 4 of these open. So cable, a little information instruction packet. This open, or is it too tightly packaged? Let me grab another knife. I'll grab a box cutter. Popped it out real quick. It's a pretty strong magnet. Twist. Battery comes out. It has a 2.5 amp hour. It can only go in one way. And it's got a carabiner as well. It's a very nice light. Do like that. So, just going to be a quick video. It's everything it came with. Pop the battery out so you guys can see the battery. It's a quick video. We're going to be testing this out, see how well it works. It's got a very nice strong magnet from what I can tell at the moment. It's nice bright. 550 lumens, pretty bright. I have the M12 Rover, which is this guy right here. I have the M18 Rover. Now we have the red lithium USB small Rover. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. We'll be doing other videos on these. Click the like. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Appreciate you checking out the video and hanging with me. Again, please check out the links below. I'll probably be leaving a link for the bigger size battery if you guys are interested in these in the description. Milwaukee just released a 3 amp hour. This is a 2.5. I also link Tool Review Zone, Clint. He's doing a video about the new release of the red lithium USB 3 amp hour battery. Having a little more juice is always nice. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!
Yeah.